In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change multiple colors at the same time in Figma. Start by opening your design. With your file in view, select multiple elements you want to evaluate. You can drag a marquee over an area or shift-click layers in the Canvas or Layers panel. Once you have a selection, look to the right-hand inspector. You'll see a section called Selection Colors. This panel aggregates all the unique colors found within your current selection fills, strokes, and even text fills so you can see exactly what's being used without hunting through individual layers. Here is the fastest way to swap a color across your selection. Identify the color you want to replace and copy the target color you'd like to use instead. That could be a hex value, a color from another object, or something you've just picked with the eyedropper. Now, in Selection Colors, click into the slot for the color you want to change and paste. Instantly, every element in your selection that used that exact color updates to the new one. It's a precise, one-to-many change with a single action. When you are working on a large page and want to make broad updates, select everything on the page with Command or Control+A. With the entire page selected, the inspector again shows selection colors. But this time it lists every color used across the whole page. This is incredibly useful for audits and sweeping updates. Next to each color in that list, you'll see an info indicator showing how many items use it. Click that indicator labeled with something like number of items selected to isolate just those elements. This lets you preview or fine-tune a specific group without losing your place or accidentally changing unrelated items. If the list is long, simply scroll through Selection Colors to review everything that's in play. When you are ready to update, pick a color slot in Selection Colors and choose a new color. You can type a hex, use the color picker, or paste a value. As you adjust, you'll see your design update in real time, and every instance of that color across the page will change at once. This makes it easy to test variations and quickly align the entire design to a new palette. That's it. Thanks for watching.